hold on. Let me get the start up. Hold on.
Our learning goal for today is to understand the concepts of rates, unit rates, write unit rates, and solve real-life problems. As you heard the car starting up, when we see this, we have lots of rates when we're driving. One is the RPM, other is how fast it's going, miles per hour or kilometers per hour. The other one might be even how fast the fuel is being used. We have lots of rates. So how fast, how many, maybe how long, how much. Let's take a look at two different rates, 100 miles in 2 hours, 144 miles in 3 hours. If we wanted to compare these two rates, one way is to find out how far the car will travel in 1 mile. We do this by dividing. 100 divided by 2 would give us 50 miles per hour. Notice how we have miles over hours, miles per hour. Do you guys remember ever seeing miles per hour anywhere? And you have. mph, miles per hour. Since this is the most common rate, we abbreviate with mph. When we divide 144 by 3, we have 48 miles per hour. And now we can compare the two because 50 miles per hour is faster than 48 miles per hour. A rate is a ratio that compares the frequency of two different units, such as miles per hour or how much Takis may cost. A unit rate compares a quantity to one unit of another quantity, using the words maybe like per, each, or for. If 4 Arnold Palmers cost $12, the rate is $12 per 4 drinks. If we wanted to know the unit rate, all we'd have to do is divide by 4. This will give us it's $3 per drink. When we have a rate A over rate B, to find the unit rate, all we have to do is divide rate A by B, giving us rate A over B units to 1 unit. The double number line shows the rate at which you pay for an Arnold Palmer's drink. Write a rate that represents this situation. A rate that you may write is 6 cups cost $18, or 5 cups cost $15, 4 cups cost $12, 3 cups cost $9, 2 cups cost $6, and 1 cup costs $3. All of these are equivalent rates, but 1 cup costing $3 is a unit rate. If a Japanese bullet train covers 1,024 miles in 4 hours, what is its hourly travel distance? Creating a table is quite helpful. So let's take a look. We're going to say the distance traveled is 1,024 in 4 hours. We want to find the unit rate. To go from 4 to 1, we can divide by 4. Therefore, we'll do the same thing to the distance. 1,024 divided by 4 gives us 256. This means a Japanese bullet train can travel at a rate of 256 miles per hour. Let's take a look at another example. If a chef purchases 9 pounds of tuna fillets for $108, how much will the chef spend on an additional 5 pounds of tuna fillets? We'll begin the same way, but in this table, instead of having 4 boxes, we'll have 6. We'll start by writing the information we have, $108 for 9 tuna fillets. You want to find out how much 1 tuna fillet would cost. That's a unit rate. So in this case, we're going to have to divide by 9. So we'll divide 108 by 9, giving us 12. So now we know it's $12 per pound. Now all we have to do is multiply by 5, and we get 60. So our answer, the cost of the tuna fillet, is $60 for additional 5 pounds. But this question can be a bit dangerous if you're not reading the instructions well. We stated an additional 5 pounds of tuna fillet, but they could have said the total cost. So in this case, $60 is correct. But be careful, if they wanted the total cost, it wouldn't be 60. The chef will pay $60 for the additional 5 pounds of tuna fillets. The total cost for all the tuna fillets is the 9 pounds initially purchased plus the 5 additional pounds. This would be 108 plus 60, which is 168. But for our question, 60 is the correct answer. We only wanted to know the additional 5 pounds, not the total amount the chef is paying for tuna on this particular day. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed this lesson, and I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.